you will need 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of Japanese whiskey. I'm using Suntory here. You're going to need a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a half an ounce of green tea syrup. You will need some tonic water, and we're going to garnish with some green apple slices. Okay, here comes the fun part. Let's get mixing. So I'm going to have a half an ounce of this green tea syrup. I will put the instructions for that in the description below, and then a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then we're going to have an ounce of the Cointreau. See if I have enough in here. Just barely. And then an ounce of the Suntory Whiskey. So let's get some ice into the shaker and shake it up. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna put some ice in my glass. One big one. Then I'm going to get this into the cocktail glass here. Now let's get some tonic water over the top. Top that up. Get a little Surfside Sip straw in there. Then I'm going to garnish this with an apple. And let's see. I'm going to get like a big wedge, I think, and go with a little slice down the middle and put it on the edge of my glass there. And that is the High Tide cocktail. Lucky me, this is the part where I get to try the cocktail. I love Suntory whiskey. It's my new favorite whiskey, and this is my new favorite cocktail, and I know I say that often, but is that bad? I don't think so. Every cocktail is my favorite, but it has a tobacco flavor right on the top. It's got citrus in there, it's got vanilla in there, it's got honey in there. All of those things blend really well together. You put that green tea syrup in there, and it just gives it a nice solid base note, kind of a grassy natural thing. And the orange is in there as well. It's not in there a lot, but it is in there. Then you get the tonic water over the top, and it smooths it all out. It's really, really nice. I'd like to know if you make this cocktail, so please let me know in the comments section. I really appreciate your comments. Like many of my cocktails, I found this recipe on liquor.com. This recipe is by Amanda Carto. She's a bar manager at Nickel City in Austin, Texas. I wanted to give a shout out to my fellow YouTubers. Thank you for all of your help. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. So join me on Instagram. I'm over there at Home Bartender Ann, and I always post a picture and a recipe over there on Fridays. I'm also on Facebook. Here on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and like the video, share it with your friends, and hit that notification bell. I do post new videos every Friday. Next week, I'm going to make a cocktail using Aperol. So join me then, home bartenders. Be well.